Welcome to the instructions video for the Pressure Interactive Calculator. This handy tool allows you to instantly convert pressure values between 7 different units, including PSI, bar, Pascal, kilopascal, megapascal, atmospheres, and millimeters of mercury. It's perfect for hydraulic systems, pneumatics, and vacuum applications. Using this calculator is straightforward. Simply enter a pressure value into any one of the input fields. For this example, let's enter 100 in the PSI field. As soon as you enter the value, the calculator automatically converts and displays the equivalent pressure in all other units. You'll see the result in bar, Pascal, kilopascal, megapascal, atmospheres, and millimeters of mercury. This is incredibly useful when working with equipment specifications from different countries or industries that use different pressure standards. You can also enter values in any other field to convert from that unit to all the others. We have thousands of other free engineering calculators on our website. Head over and check them out.